Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am excited to share just a really special tree this holiday season that you can make. It might be one that you could use just to share some special memories with your family. It might be one that you want to share with a friend or a family member that may be going through a difficult time this Christmas season. Maybe they've lost a loved one this year, and it's something that I call a memory tree. So let's get started and make this tree together. Okay, so I have this small tree and I really keep it in my bedroom, and it's a flock tree. I've got 3 different types of ribbon, and you can actually see my ribbon tutorials on some of my other Christmas videos, so be sure to check out my channel for some of those other Christmas tutorials. But you can get several different types of ribbon for this. I like to use at least 2 or 3 and put these ribbons together. And so we're going to start at the top of the tree. And just going to attach these ribbons on the branches. Let's see how long. And I'm going to cut this. We're going to have a tail on it. Let's see where I want to tuck this ribbon. I've already put some of the ornaments on this tree. I've got some of these just some sparkly balls to put on here. I found some bells. All of these ornaments I got at Dollar Tree, so not expensive. These are just some little extra ornaments, because the ornaments that are really special about this tree I'm going to share here in just a minute. So I've got some buffalo check. You do not have to use 3 different ribbons. I did want to pull in some of the red this year because I'm going to use this tree in my bedroom, and I've got some of the plaid pillows on my bed, so I wanted to be sure to use that and just kind of tie it in with the decor that I have in there already. And so I'm going to be able to, I'm going to see where I'm going to tuck this in, make sure that I have a tail on this. Got my ribbon, and we're going to do our nice little fishtails here in just a minute. And I'm going to see where I want to tuck this in. I'm going to get it right in here, got my ribbon in. Around this branch. Let's see, just so you can kind of see how that works. And then you can pull your ribbon out. That. And get other ribbons kind of tucked in here. So you can get that. If you want to do your fishtails, fold your ribbon over. Be sure to cut not on the fold, opposite of the fold, and cut straight up. Get your pretty fishtail ribbon there. It's a nice finished look. Do that on all 3 of these. There we go. Tuck that ribbon in there so we get that. I think you need to tuck in a little bit more. You can just bring it in just a little bit. And we're just going to take that ribbon just around the tree in different spots. So we'll time lapse that here in just a little bit so you can see the finished tree. But I want to share some of these other ornaments and how this is important and what is a memory tree. And so I made this several years ago, and my memory tree, when I first made it, I really did it just I did black and white. I did the buffalo check, and then I did black and white pictures. And I found these inexpensive frames, and I did black and white, just made copies, and I've got flock tree all over me. So I'm in my black and white. I probably shouldn't have done that, but I've got black and white flock. I've got flocking all over me here. So I did the black and white pictures, just copy paper on this, not anything expensive. And then I just glued the ribbon on the back of it. So I just went back and just did really special pictures. So this was a picture of when my husband and I were dating. So my memory tree on this in particular was I used some, just kind of going back because it was in our bedroom, I used wedding pictures, pictures of when we were dating. So if you have children that have just gotten married, or if you've just gotten married, or you want to celebrate an anniversary, we got married at Christmas time, and so we had a wedding our wedding theme have Christmas decorations, and so we have our stockings are made from fabric from our wedding, and so my bedroom. So I wanted this tree, as far as a memory tree, to have some things from our wedding on it, and so I've used a lot of that. I actually have a wedding picture, and so then through the years I kind of added some other things, and so I added, you know, pictures of like when I was a baby and my parents, and then another idea came to me. So as we began to lose some very special people in our life, you know, my husband and I lost a child, and then we've lost grandparents and other family members that have been special to us. So the memory tree has become about remembering family members, and so I have pictures of my grandparents, and I've included that on the tree. And so just this buffalo check ribbon I added to the frames, and then you hang your frames on your tree, and it includes pictures of maybe family members that have passed away, and you just want to remember them at Christmas time. And so that is something that's just really, really special, is to have that memory tree. So, you know, Christmas time can be difficult for a lot of family members, and a lot of people right now, especially with COVID, it's been difficult for a lot of people. And so maybe you might want to make a tree for someone who has lost a family member this year, and they don't know how to celebrate Christmas this year without that loved one that's passed away. And so you might want to make a memory tree for them with pictures of their loved one, and help them celebrate the life of that person that they've lost. And so Christmas is hard, I know, for a lot of people that have lost loved ones this year. And so I really wanted to be able to share this special tree and to show you how you can celebrate, even at Christmas time, life and the people that have meant so much to us through the years. And so that's something that I've done with this tree. And so I'm going to finish this tree, and then I am going to share with you the finished look. Okay? I think